Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm out in my garden. I'm just doing a quick video so I can get some help with this plant what I've got. I've had this plant in my garden now. I think someone gifted me it, or I brought it, I can't even remember because it's been that long. I'll show you what it looks like from down the bottom. Or trying to look it up to find out what plant it is, because I just came out to water and I noticed it's got this flower spike going up like that, so it's going to flower at some stage, but I don't know what flower it is, so don't know if anybody can recognize what it is and let me know. My wife looked it up and she said it was called a century plant, but when I looked it up, it's nothing like the century plant. The century plant is like an aloe vera plant, but that's what it looks like from down the bottom. It's been growing there, and it's been in its place for over 20 odd years now, I would say, and all of a sudden now it's got this spiral growing at a fast rate. Don't know if it's because of the cold. Don't know if it's because it's been through all the winters and snow and everything. But these don't die. The leaves and that don't die down. It just stays like that through the winter, even through when there's a snow and everything. It just stays like that, and it's grown now till it's reached this stage. So I would really like to find out what it is and if it's going to flower again, or if it's just going to flower the one time and that's it. So if you know urgently, please let me know so I know what further action to take. I'm going to be keeping an eye on it as we go along, just in case it flowers before I get the answer of what it is. But I'll keep a progress of it and then let everyone know what it is. So please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Watch my other videos, because that's what I'm here for. I'm all about learning new things, exotic plants and everything. So this is one of the plants that I've had in my garden, and I just would really like to know what it is. So if you do know, let me know and get back to me in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Thank you.